Ready, set, go.
No, Siobhan.
This is cool. One more. No.
Papa Jesus. Look what going on here, so. Master God. No, sir. Ay. Look at this. Wow. Can't even see anything. In the backyard. Up on golden blend truck up there, so. I'm not alone can manage the snow. Why is a God? Boy. Okay guys, so right now in the morning, yeah. You go clean snow. But I clean them gateway. It's still in the house. Anything can go so? Papa Jesus. This is snow here look like it catch me on my knee. Or close to my knee. This is madness. And then the road them not get for clean because the people them have the car them park up at the road, on the road. So them not clean the road properly. You know what that do? Come on guys, we need to go clean the snow. Wanna get up? Look how high the snow is. Come up to the doorway. I'm gonna stand up in this and see. It's time to go clean snow. Jesus. God damn it. Mercy. Hallelujah. Unbelievable. I will freeze off out there today. Look at, oh my God. How far this now? Shit, look at this. This is impossible. This pass. Can't walk in at this. Oh my gosh, we cannot walk in at this. No other time when me think Max should be here. This is insane. Crap. Oh, so good. Oh my gosh, this is not. Look at. What is that? Chev. You know what say, they shovel them under the house.
Yeah.
How the hell them are going to go out? This is unbelievable. No way. We can't go no further. No. But them should have come out from last night. This is snow here. Round here so higher than my knee. You have snow boot? You need a snow boot. Then they can't manage this. Timberland no, sir. This is going to catch you up on your knee. You have to walk on the side of the house. Jeez and peace, we need a truck. We need a truck to come clear up in here. No, we need a hustler. We need to find somebody to come drive the truck through here. So, Jesus, peace, no. Mercy, God. What the hell? But I need a tall up. Man, I need one of them snow chocolate. Like, come clean up this. And this I turn ice, you know. When it turn ice, you know, I tell you, you know, we can't walk as you know. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Malika, you need to come out here, little girl. Go clean up snow. Oh my god. Listen, we need a shower.
You had a shovel there, man.
We need a shower.
I mean, why you have this so?
Because that's the best way we can have it. We need a shower at rain.
Your video not go short.
Yeah, that's alright.
What do you mean? What do you mean this is the best way you can have it?
Huh?
You can, why you turn it that way, yeah?
What way?
The whole lot, just put it up and turn the phone side here.
Turn it then.
But you have to start over the video. Look. Time to clean this yard. Well, wish me luck from my car. Damn. This is a lot of work, yo. Shit. Yo. This food is crazy, yo. I gotta clean all this. Like, right now. I'm not going nowhere. And I'm in yard, we're gonna clean up. I have to clean the driveway. We can't. We need to go out and I have to clean the whole of this. Can't drive through this, so. So I'm just put on this for stay warm. There's my goat with the freeze. Like little picnic. Yeah, the snow sucks. I don't like the snow. Why is Chrissy? How tired are you? Yeah?
Like a pretty boy thing this.
No, not a pretty boy thing, but I gotta warm up.
Need a hustler.
Huh?
Need a hustler to go help me.
Yeah, this a lot. Call Sean.
Sean.
Indian.
Oh, Dean.
Yeah, Dian. So uncle call him.
Yeah, let me tell Max to call him.
Yeah, him did there the last time. Yeah, I don't care do this. People later, yeah, man. Chrissy, ease yourself. Ease yourself, Chrissy. That me I tell you. You hear me I tell you? Easy. But I'm gone, yeah, I'm gone. I make a YouTube video, you know. Chrissy, you subscribe yet? Matter of fact, like subscribe, Chrissy. No, you're a fake friend, you know. Fake friend. Yeah, fake friend, Chrissy. People like you, you know what, like New Year. You hear that? I go do it. You should have. No! Fake friend. Fake. Mama, I don't no boots. Oh. go around the family, reach on the knee. Get what? Go on here. Get a two, yeah. I have one. Couple hours to go.
You do anything yesterday?
Nah.
I jumped on this early yesterday. Imagine if I didn't, looking at yours.
Yeah, for real. This is crazy.
Or not. So nothing got touched yesterday?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nothing.
At the gate.
Yeah?
Yeah, I see.
I went in my backyard and you was right here.
All up to your knee,
Yeah.
under your knee?
Yeah.
Wow.
hungry? You hungry? No, you don't already. Huh?
This a turn icy though, but this a turn ice. This is unbelievable. We have state of emergency. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. State of emergency. This is unbelievable. Never seen it like this. Slow you catch me have a D. Sit on the kettle and make some tea. I have to keep me inside on, brother. If I move this from here, so it'll go turn ice real soon. Once you start dig it up. You see that once you start digging, once you start digging, you have to dig it right down because it'll turn ice. You see it? It'll turn ice and then it gets slidey.
Salt.
Yeah, I forgot to throw salt. Max have a snow machine in there now. I think him. Oh no, he never bite. Oh, me I go try it, chef. I have to clear the doorway. Where? Can't make it stay up on the outside. I go sort down in our basement. This have to move, you know. Oh, Jesus. We not done today.
Bye.
What you say?
You should not get
She not there. She needs to there though.
feeling saying I started to not get go with your beer.
Me not start till Sean come. Mommy just called me to take her a picture. You hear her? Brittany. Mommy just called me to take her a picture. The phone are there.
Send the picture to her door. Don't need to take your phone. Send the picture to she.
Bye, bro. Why you come in our bathroom?
No, I'm not going to.
Oh. I'm like that.
You're going to take out the one and out the head.
No, I saw me I go. Bye.
Bye.
I deal with some bestie.
Them just wait me up out of my bed. Look. Look. Them just wait me up out of my bed. What you talk about?
Oh, man, no.
Look there, sir.
Oh, shit. Your father,
Him never there here. Him not there here.
where you at work today?
They are Jamaica. You hear me did that work, I can't go.
A little bit of them. Maybe you'll be there, or you
Oh, that go. Send it to me right now.
cash up.
You send it now.
Mommy, no man, this not gonna work. It'll cover my foot.
Yeah, I'm going to walk on my knee each.
Really?
Yeah.
No, sir. Me I go back in. Where you walk?
Sidewalk and come right here so for the shovel. Walk on the sidewalk
Pass
here.
over, that's
Oh, you not drive?
Right there some more you have to come to the weekend. Really drive.
Right there, some here do.
And so we can't do here so it's not
This is just unbelievable. Like, I can't do this. Just unbelievable. Like, what is this? We need to pay somebody to read it.
No, you.
See right there. So don't take it too close. Aye. Don't come too close. Too close. So come open and close. Is that good? How do you-
Okay, I'm not that confused. We're not taking. I see the walkway. This is what this hard.
Cool man. If I bust it, you stop. No, what is this? Oh, what is that? Why? What am I doing? What do you want me to do on this?
Yeah, don't get too tired.
I need to clean my car.
What's the other stuff?
I don't want to clean. Oh, yeah, of course.
I thought I already said that key.
no strength for this with the catch. You.
Come make a record me.
I want to see it.
Yeah, YouTube channel.
My back. This is slavery, guys. Slavery. Not even slavery in 1904. No do them something I will do. Yes. Them not do them something. On TikTok. On TikTok, we should do. Yeah, slide already. Can you buy me one, mommy? Why? No, I'm not. Oh, it's in my shoes. It's in my shoes. It's in my shoes. Little youth, what you you're still away. Hey Siri, play popcorn. Never. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. You see, Uncle got work this morning. We just text my boss and tell him something on my way. Earring. Oh, we don't have a sword today. We said that's bad.
Go freezer.
Shall I fling them out the sun? We could have moved the car right now, we would have a get up there. Alright. You know when you have a cycle like car, can you just turn down the street? Right? Eh? You not just know who are the skip. No? Yes, you want man to come out of it. Now one big truck. Now carry my driver, truck him a driver.
this morning and it actually reached me up on the knee. Really put my foot in.
It's the color we are going to prioritize, man. It's the mommy I call you by 4 o'clock.
Don't tell a lie, family. You know, me just come out of the bus like even an hour ago. Don't tell a lie about me.
I'm glad. She said, we're back out with me, I go in.
Sorry, if we see a bunch up there, we can actually see them to come in here and compare that area because we now got can dig this out. That's impossible.
I'm breaking my hand. Anything now. Treat is on you. Now I go back. Now go back. Now something go back there. Now I get something back there. I just wanted my ice cream. That's what I wanted.
Hey, nobody now record my
Okay, well, okay, guys. Hey guys, that's Malika. Malika is cleaning up the snow. So I am coming to Chevron. My name is Mike. So I am coming to like the this is like only the two part. The price is cleaning up.
Okay, Mommy said, let me come outside from yesterday. This would have been happy.
It's been like that, right?
Yeah.
That's what I think you did.
You don't want to do it 2 times, that's the thing.
Okay, but now it's worse.
So you should have come out yesterday.
I told Mom.
Guys, if you want your yard to be cleaned up, hit me up. I'll clean it up for at least $1,000. Nothing less, but you can put more on it. I did all of this.
Oh. this one. You need to start at this one.
Under over that, sir. Then we up there.
You're ready to get it.
Mommy, what's the name of the yet, mommy?
Mas eu vou aqui.
You know, I do record somewhere. No, guys.
Don't make mommy die.
I don't know what I told you before. Yeah, like. Chanel must hear it in there. Yeah, what faster than this. Literally, I hear from out here, sir. Chanel!
God.
Chanel! Not much of it.
Mommy, why would you do that? Are you serious? How could you do that? Yeah, mess up with chicken.
Let's go. Come.
Really come up at the next one. Hello? Yeah. They're not gonna start today. Sword.
Breakfast. Hungry bad, you can't work.
You go inside. Could you do that? Hello? Where you throw the salt over there, sir? Eh? Hello?
Where?
Over there, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Put it in that belt. Put it in there, sir.
Oh shit.
Like you call you up there. Listen, they keep messing up the spot.
Yeah.
Where y'all laugh
Oh,
at?
stop.
You're stupid.
You got it.
Where y'all laugh at? That's funny. Yes, it is.
No, it's down the caravan run over the sun and now walk the stuff.
Woman. Need more salt though. Not done. You're a fool, man.
I don't know where y'all laugh at. Them just dumb.
Hey! You ready to go back? You're in the front or the back?
Oh gosh.
And clean.
Snow morning breakfast.
What them, sir?
No, it's my ad video.
It's cause, mommy. It's cause they don't really have anybody to do it.
Because where I do is spoon in IT.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah.
Callaloo, fritters, and pear,
I'm using.
and melody.
Right. You.
After I eat this, I go back to clean up snow.
You going home now?
I have to take a 5 and come make some breakfast. Make a dip on our phone.
What's about what?
Video them.
Who's saying cream already?
All of them.
Ad video.
What are you talking about?
The one where I'm talking about my phone number.
Oh, hold on. What's going on? I did it.
Gotta update my friends.
Use the picture that mommy sent you.
Callaloo and pear. A diarrhea this.
A diarrhea? Seriously?
You know.
Me I got work, you know. Me I got work.
Oh, you got work.
Oh?
Mm-hmm.
Me I get ready.
Oh, you have a trailer come for you.
What's trailer?
You must have a trailer.
I carry that jet by road, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I just we alone now.
Well, them clean
Pick
the
up my
main
drive.
street
Highway free.
and the highway, them clean them there, but like, and I mean, them clean out there, so just to get out here.
Highway free, right? Mm. Mommy.
Hmm?
Well,
Mm-hmm.
see that?
Mm-mm. I did it for a while.
Okay, guys, here's your food. Here's your plate. Right here.
Why should I clean my carry on?
Here's the plate right
Yeah.
here.
You know, want that turn no ice pan then.
You guys heard me?
What?
The plate is right here. I'm finished.
Alright, one clean snow.
What's her name?
Don't call me.
Malika.
Leave me alone.
I need my ads video.
The phone dead.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, I need it right now.
Hello? Where you say I go now? Where you say I go now? What you ask me to do? Oh, oh, really? Okay, hold on. Alright. Yeah. So it's a. It's just take the root there. It's just take the root there. Which root is it? Oh, okay. That's a lot of work, though.
Makes sense. Mm-hmm. Hey. It's a fall again in a week.
Friday.
Friday?
Friday it go snow again.
Friday. That's why. It has start 2 o'clock, ain't it? It's crazy. Oh, so what are you gonna do? And then go back? And then go back?
Jamaican food. The real deal.
What we want. So I could go home?
So Siobhan did the driveway. Not bad at all, right? Mamacita. So Siobhan did the driveway. Not bad at all, right? Mamacita. Excellent job, guys.
You see how much more though?
Excellent job.
I did
Yes.
it. I
Yes.
did it.
Excellent job.
I'm tired.
Mika, what you do for tired? Nobody back up your car over there. Make sure you clear it.
Tell Uncle to come back home.
Tell him yourself.
I did all this.
Uncle's supposed to glad in the day.
Tell me say I call him and make call, but he not get nobody to come help you.
I did all this.
This not happen to me again, brother. This not happening to me. But definitely I gotta get the plow truck. I have to find somewhere to put it. Oh, so you take over my boot now. When you forgot to clean my key. Okay, so my son did the driveway. And there you go. See that? He did the driveway by himself. Man, if this turn ice, can't touch nothing.
Ready, set, go.
Oh no, Siobhan.
This is cool. One more. No.